In this video I would like to show you 3 videos of my students from France visiting Shifu Costantino Valente to learn one of the advanced program. In that occasion also Shifu helped them energetically to open the meridians and charge a little bit the dantian. Sometimes I get asked this question if it is possible to meet him to receive this kind of help, so to speak, for the energy practice. The answer is basically no. It's something that happens only within the school of the Nei Qi Gong School when we learn the Nei Qi Gong practice. It's not possible to pay and visit him just to receive this kind of help. And also sometimes people are really misled by the idea that the energy growth, it's all about meeting a master, receiving some kind of treatment. At least there are some teachers out there that picture things in this way. You just pay some money, you meet a master, then they will do the work for you, you go away charged and already to the next level, so to speak, of your practice. It doesn't work in that way. It's a help which can be temporary also if it is not supported by a constant practice, which eventually is what really counts, because this kind of treatment can be beneficial, as I said, but they need to be supported by our personal practice. So in this video you see 3 of my students from France visiting Shifu to learn the Liangong program, so the second advanced program. I teach some of the advanced programs while Shifu teaches some others, and you can see a little bit how everything works. During this occasion, which is usually done after finishing the Qigong practice, so the first level of the advanced program, which is done with me, the practice where we use the electricity for our personal growth, and also we learn a technique to heal other people by using the machine and emitting our energy supported by the machine to avoid discharging ourselves. So this practice, the Liangong, is learned after having practiced that. The previous one, what I just said, for 1 year. And in this occasion, usually Shifu tries to help my students and students of the school in general by doing this kind of treatment. And in this occasion also the students are accepted within the inner school, so to speak. So they become part of the inner school, let's say, of the Nei Qi Gong school. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment or send an email. As you might know or not, the 9 basic programs can be done online, so there's no need for physical presence to be together actually. The advanced ones, some of them they do, some of them can be done online.
The answer is good. Yes. Yeah. The dirty.
Yes, right? And light frequency.
Yeah.
Stroboscopic.
Stroboscopic.
Ah.
Yeah, like a stroboscope. Yeah. Okay. Now the channels. I open the channel. Okay.
Yeah.
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 Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a joke. But then
Okay. Mm.
have light,
Yes.
stroboscopic
Yes.
light.
Exactly. Exactly. Wow. Wow.
Relax, relax. Relax.
Yes. Oh, it's okay. Yeah. Yeah. The high. Relax.
Yes.
Touch. Touch.
It's okay?
Wow, thank you.